Hello everybody, it is your girl Porsche Teair, and I want to welcome you back to my channel Porsche Teair. If you are a first time viewer, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, hey niece, how you doing, girl? How's everyone doing? As you can see from the title, this is going to be a luxury unboxing. So this is going to be my first ever Coach unboxing, yes. And then I have another Louis Vuitton small leather good to show you all. So if you are interested in videos like this and you want to get my thoughts or see what I got from my purchase, continue to watch and let's get into this quick little something. So first up is going to be my Coach purchase. So cute. And I really wasn't even thinking about doing a Coach unboxing until I opened up this package, and I was just like, oh my gosh, this is very, very cute. So I only got this far. I didn't even look at the rest, but this right here alone was like, girl, you got to share this. Now, before I post this video, you will see my mini Pochette unboxing, and in that video I mentioned to you all how I was getting a gold chain to use the mini Pochette as a crossbody little mini bag. So that's what this is. This is going to be the chain that I purchased for my mini Pochette from Louis Vuitton. So let's get right into this. So as you guys can see right here, this is like a palm tree. Got you see the reflection on that? Super cute. I don't know, I just really love that. It's a very nice sticker. So I'm gonna lift it up. Can I do it with my nails? So there we go. I ripped it. Oh, this is cute. Okay, Coach. I mean, I've never purchased anything from Coach, so never had an expectation, but look at that. Is this like holiday? I've never even watched a Coach unboxing, so this is all new to me, but I'm loving this. I love the brown with the black. Okay. She is cute. Ooh. And again, this is the packaging that it was sent in. It has a card right here in the front, so I'm going to slide this up. And it says, thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941, with some contact information. So that's what's there. This is the card. Back to it. So this is so cute to me. I just really love that. Oh, this would be cute on like the shelf. So I'm going to lift it up. Here it is here. I'm really impressed with this packaging, might I add. So like I said, it is a gold chain. So here's the packaging with that. Again, never purchased Coach. I don't know if this is standard or is this holiday. I'm gonna assume this is a standard sticker. Tissue paper wrapped up. Oh, I even got a little duster for this. So here's the duster. Feels like cotton. I'm gonna take my chain out. Here is the gold chain. So let me unwrap this. Cellophane. Is that what that's called? I don't know. Ooh. All right, I was able to get all that packaging off. So here it is. It's a nice gold. I thought it would be longer, but it should be okay. I tried on the silver one in the store, and the guy told me it was the exact. Thank you. The sales associate in the store told me that it would be the same length. He just didn't have an actual gold one there. So you get this little there, and it has the 2 clamps, so I definitely can attach it to other bags if necessary. It's not a like fake gold chain gold. It's like a yellow gold, but it's, you know, it's dull enough. It's dull, but it's gold. That makes sense. So let me grab my mini pochette and take this little piece off and see how it will work. So I grabbed my mini pochette. Here it is here. Loving it, you guys all know. Super exciting. So I'm going to take the gold chain on it. I'm going to clasp it on the other side. Guys, see how it goes? I'm going to take my Coach chain, snap it on, snap it on here, and here you guys have it. Oh, I'm super excited. Am I gonna be able to get mod shots for you all? If I get mod shots, I'm gonna place them in right here. All right, ladies, here's where the bag falls with the gold chain that I purchased. Let's turn around so you all can see. I'm about 5'5", and it comes to your hip. So this is just to give you guys an idea, if you're about my height, how it will fall on your body. On your hip is where it should fall. This is the gold chain in the back. Okay. So there you guys could see how it falls on the body. I do wish that the Coach chains were small like these on the Louis Vuitton, but it does give it some, you know, gives it some design, being that they're different. The golds match up pretty good. I think the Louis Vuitton gold is more, it's brighter. You probably cannot tell the difference here, but it is. But here it is. So glad I purchased this. Again, ladies, I got it at Coach. But I did see on the Coach outlet site, you can find gold chains for even cheaper than you can at the actual Coach store or Coach.com. Definitely check the outlet first, but I will tag below exactly where I purchased mine. Super, super cute. I'm not disappointed in this at all. The next up, if I haven't put it in the title, what do you ladies think I purchased? Drop down in the comments below. Make your guess right now. Okay, you're wrong. No, I'm kidding. But here it is here. So, we all know you get this lovely card with your receipt, with your purchase. I had already unboxed it and I realized I didn't have my mic on, so I'm re-recording. So that's the only reason this is off. But this came attached, you know, if you wanted to gift it to someone. Here it is. We're gonna slide off this blue ribbon. Oh, wrong way. Look at this, take it off. How about that? Maybe not. Slide it off. But choose one, Porsche. Choose one. So here it is. Bloop. Another SLG, because I want to get my SLGs. I love the Louis Vuitton SLGs. Oh, look at that. It is the Key Clay or do they call it the key pouch now? I think it is called the key pouch. Here it is here. So exciting. I'm going to show you guys. There's the zipper. I got it in the monogram print, of course. Look at that. Everything is matched up. You guys know that's something to look for, at least with the key clay or key pouch, making sure that everything is lined up. I'm gonna unzip it. And you guys know you would click your keys here. You can put, you know, things you need inside, cash, coins, if you wanted to do that, or you can just literally keep it empty. Keep your keys attached here, drop it in, zip it up, and now you do not have to worry about your keys scratching and scuffing up the inside of your purse, your keys scuffing up any other important things inside of your bag. So there it is, but that's not why I purchased mine. I initially went to Louis Vuitton looking for the Pochette accessoire. If I'm saying it wrong, forgive me, don't forgive me. Forgive me, because I do not know if I'm saying that right. No, probably not. But I know getting that Pochette accessories purse is like going to be very difficult. But I was near the store, so I was like, let me just see if they got it. Went inside, of course they didn't, but I was looking at things in the SLGs and came across this. This actually did trigger my attention a while ago, but I decided to get the 6-ring key holder, as you all know. But I still was interested in this. I wanted to get a coin purse, and the round coin purse, it just wasn't doing it for me at all or anything. But I thought this would be cute as a coin purse. I mean, I don't keep a lot of coins, but I just thought this would be just a cute addition. Although this was not on my list to get, but I made my way. What does it say? Coated fabric, calf leather, interior lining. So that's that information provided there. Let me see on the inside. Where was mine made? Made in France. So do not want things made in the United States. I would not have an issue with that, but this one was made in France. And I'm going to use this most likely as a coin purse, but I may interchange it with my 6-ring key holder to use it for my keys as well, just to give that product a break. And I think it'll be a cute accessory. Like for this, you can kind of hook it there, snap it on, and then you have that. So that with my gold chain, so this would be perfect for my keys, and then I can get the Coach bag, put it on as a crossbody, and voila, you got a little cute little set. This is super cute paired with this. As you all can see, I am obsessed with the monogram print. I just think it's so classic, so cute. And that reminds me, my 6-ring key case, you know, I got the fuchsia inside one. Now when I go into the store, I'm like, I really should have got the tan inside with the gold clasp part, but it's still cute. But I do wish I had got, I'm obsessed with gold. I'm just obsessed, it looks so cute. So I'll figure it out. Here is the key pouch once again. Oh, so cute. Super cute. Love it so much. So here's the key clay. All right, you all, that is going to be my Coach chain and Louis Vuitton key pouch unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love watching unboxings here on YouTube, so I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I hope that this video was very informative for you, so you got some helpful information if you wanted to check out that gold chain for your mini Pochette, and I hopefully gave you another idea of how to use your key pouch. I'm just saying, maybe I could drop some gems on you. It wasn't the first time that information's been shared, but I just wanted to give it out because you may not have known. all right, I'm here for you. Thank you guys so much for the support. If you really enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. If you really want to get to know me a little more personally, you can follow me here on my social media at Porsche Teair. I am Porsche Teair on most platforms, so check me out somewhere. Thank you all for watching. I will catch you guys next time, and see you later.